Terrible at first impressions, but I'll try my best. I was born screaming, I haven't shut up yet. This lunar apathy comes and goes in phases. My white flag is torn down quickly as it raises. I can only go so fast, trying to outrun myself. Like Orpheus, I must stay focused, walking out of hell. Saw it written in the tarot cards. Takes one to know one, and I came this far. Intelligence without ambition is like a bird without wings, and I've done enough bitching to know why the caged bird sings. Morality may have been just a threat. I got off easy, but it's not, 'cause I did my best. The story's not over yet. As a child, I feared rejection, caught in cycles of chasing affection. The world is heavy, but I've got a strong back, and if I drop the pretense, I'm open to attack. You can't buy me, I can't be sold. The fire got higher when you're 16 years old. Cinderella, is this bad as it seems? Do you only go to sleep to dream? Intelligence without ambition is like a bird without wings, and I've done enough bitching to know why the caged bird sings. Morality may have been just a threat. I got off easy, but it's not, 'cause I did my best. The story's not over yet. We saw it written in the tarot cards.